Time, where are you going? Please linger a while. I need you for learning, loving and growing, and time, stop if you will. Time, here's a suggestion. Linger a while. I need you to answer a difficult question. Time, what is my name? Time, who is my brother? If we're not the same, then tell me, must we still love one another? And when someone I find, not of my own choosing, must I still be kind? I really do find it a little confusing. Time, as we go on, what will you uncover? What wonderful things will you, as a good friend, help me discover? And time, why do I feel quite young and unsteady? Could that be because there's so much that's happened in my life already? Time